everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Pontiac Firebird. Awesome car, guys. Kentucky car. Car went through a complete body-up restoration 5 years ago. Very nicely done. You really got to drive this car to appreciate it. It really hits the road great. Gorgeous paint on it. It's got a bright torch red paint. It's got the Ivory vinyl interior in it, which I really like. I love this color combination. You don't appreciate it as much in the wintertime, but in the summertime when it's 90 degrees and that interior is sitting in that car show, you really learn to appreciate the white interior. Good, solid, straight body. Like I say, I just can't say enough about how the car drives. It really hits the road good. As you know, we get a ton of Camaros. We do not get very many Firebirds. They're tough for us to get. It's got brand spanking new rubber and brand new 17 and 18 inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels on it. Pretty car. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. I gotta apologize. You're gonna see it's spitting a little snow. There's a couple little touch-up marks. There's a couple little blemishes you can kind of pick at on the car, but very, very nice. They've definitely replaced both bumpers on the car. They are new. It's got front and rear spoilers. That stuff is really nice. Got the iconic 400 hood on it. Chrome and stainless is nice. Glass looks good. Welcome to Michigan, man. We just can't get the weather to stop sometimes. Again, slick paint. I'll tell you what, it doesn't sound like it's got a crazy cam or anything in it, but this doggone thing runs. I mean, it gets down the road. It's quick. Again, brand new ZR rated Hankook rubber all the way around it. Brand new wheels. Nice car. Sits good. It's a bright red paint too. It's not orangey, guys. It is bright red. Again, strong running 400, and like I said, when he fires it up, it doesn't have a big monster cam or anything like that. Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock polished aluminum intake on it, power steering, power brakes. It's a 350 turbhydramatic trans, stock exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It does have, look how nicely it's detailed underneath the hood here. Milidon oil pan on it, so it's got the little bit bigger oil pan than from the factory. But nice and tight, really, like I say, it's impressive when you get in it and jump on it down the road. It's the first thing my buddy Scott, when he bought this car for me, the first thing he said, man, this thing hits the road great. He drove it back to his place down there, and he said it really drove out good. You can see the glass is nice. Yeah, somebody's going to get a good car here, man. This car is going to be a lot of fun. Looks like the original door panels. There's a couple little blemishes on it, but pretty doggone nice. New door seals. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, I love the ivory interior in it. Looks like new carpet. Looks like they've replaced most of the interior as well. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the tilt wheel. Looks like it's got all the factory seat belts in it as well. Again, this is a tilt wheel. It's really nice. Gauges are nice and clean. 83,000, what's that, 501 on your odometer. He didn't know the mileage on the resto, but that 83,000 is supposed to be original, but he said there's not very many miles on it. Look how clean the gauges and everything are. That's really nice. The stainless and stuff is really nice. It's got the factory center console with the Hurst Quarter Stick shifter in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust, sounds real good. It's got a 10-bolt 355 safety track rear axle in it with rear sway bar. And it's got a nice finned aluminum rear cover. Panel-wise, I think the only thing they said I believe he said they put a new quarter panel on that side. But other than that, he said he thought the rest of the panels were original. It's just a good car. And like you say, when you get it and drive it, you really appreciate it. I wouldn't be afraid to jump in that car and take it anywhere. Yeah, door pads look new. I mean, slick old car. Seats have definitely been repadded, refoamed. Oh, those are plug-ins down there for the radio. Just as sweet as it can. Good sound, like I say, nice and smooth. The car impresses me, man. That's just a good car. Good sound. Not really much for gauges, just a fuel gauge. It works. All your interior lights and that kind of stuff work. Again, great sound. We might have one bulb. I bet you it just popped out of the socket over there. We'll check it. Because it's coming on, but it looks like it's a little dull, which means it's probably worked its way out of the socket a little bit. Radio works, blower motor heat works. And everything opens and closes nice. Go back through those again. I don't know if I got them. Yep. It's got a couple of original T3 headlights in there. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page, guys. Great way to keep track of us. You can do that by clicking that little button right there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.